Hello students, I'm taking this opportunity to discuss with you how to write an email. So an email should have some components that have to be taken in care, into consideration. Subject. So the subject should explain about what is the purpose of an email. Like in your case, the purpose is what? Here the purpose is assignment. Assignment on waiting for Godot. So this should be your subject. So the subject should explain what it is about. The next thing that you have to keep in mind is the salutation. Like whenever we send an email, it has to be like dear sir, dear ma'am. This is how we begin our salutation. I'm sure all of you must have written letters at one point of time or another in your life. So it is very much similar how you write a good letter. So it should have a salutation, it should have a body, and it should have your signature. And of course, it should have a subject which tells what is the purpose of writing that email. So first is your subject, then your salutation. Salutation, like it will come in the body of the letter. Okay, so in the subject it is like assignment on this. Then after that what you have to do is you have to do what? You have to write the salutation like dear ma'am, dear sir. We don't write respected. Dear here means something like what you mean by respected. Okay, so in an email we write dear. Dear here doesn't mean like something affection, it just means like respected ma'am. Okay, so after that we write, next is the body of the letter. So body of the email also is like a body of the letter, but the difference is here it shouldn't be in lot of paragraphs. Here when we write business letters or emails that are related to work, like the one you have to send me, there the body of the letter should be very small and it should only explain the purpose of writing this email. Like here you'll tell the details. uh, Please find attached the word document that I'm sending. It is an assignment that was given to us on this date. So one line should explain what it is about. After that you can write something like that, thanking you, thanks, thanking you in anticipation. And after that will come your signature. Signature here means your name and your roll number. And before your signature you can write something like regards. Here we don't like yours obediently or yours sincerely, so usually we write regards. So this is what you have to take into consideration while writing a good email. I have already sent it earlier also, but it was not clear, the voice in the in this message. So I hope this message makes it clear, and don't send it in the form of a written assignment on a paper and then you send images to me. No, this is not how it is to be done. You type it in the word format. You type your assignment in the word format and then send it to me. And I know some of you may not be having laptops, but I also am sure that most of you have laptops. Even if you don't have your personal laptops, you have laptops like someone in your family, your siblings or your parents, someone must be having a laptop. So you can, if you do not have your personal laptop, you can borrow it from some other member of the family. And if nobody has a laptop, then in that case you can send me an image, but the image is also to be sent in the email and not as a WhatsApp message. So This is a thing that you have to learn. This is a skill, added skill that you will learn. So don't send a message on WhatsApp, but send it in the form of an email. Okay, I think I made my point clear. So waiting for your emails. Bye bye. Take care.